I'm Raneem Shadid and I'm 11.
I'm Melek Saeed and I'm 10.
I'm Mariam Kashif and I'm 10.
Cosmo the Baker. As a group, we have decided to program Cosmo to bake in order to brighten up one's face. This act of kindness and intelligence will definitely warm one's heart and make the world a better place by spreading this kindness. Our project. For our project, we have created a code that orders Cosmo to ask a sad person if he or she would like to bake a cookie. He will then use a cube as 3 ingredients: sugar, peanut butter, and eggs. He will give compliments as the steps are being completed and will give advice to avoid failures. Cosmo will make sure that you achieve happiness no matter what the circumstances.
So right now Cosmo is locating a sad face. So right now he's going to find one of the ingredients so that he can help. And so the hexagon is the tabletop, and cube 1 is at the shelf right now. And he's trying to pick up the cube so that he can take it to the table. So right now he's taking the ingredient to the table.
Here is the sugar, peanut butter, and egg. Mix them all.
So after he does that, cube 3 is actually the final ingredient. So he's gonna take it to the circle, which is the oven. So right now he's taking cube 3 to the oven, which is the cookies basically on the middle thing. So he just placed the cube 3 to the oven. Now he's waiting until the cookies are ready. And that is it. So Cosmo basically just helped her to be happy and stuff so that she wouldn't be sad anymore. What inspired the idea was probably because sometimes if you're sad and stuff, you want to bake a cookie, you want to bake like almost anything, and you'd ask your mom or your dad or whoever, and they might be busy and you wouldn't have anybody to cheer you up or bake something with you, because baking usually cheers you up. And so Cosmo, he would basically be helping you, like putting it in the oven, bringing you the ingredients and stuff if you couldn't do it, and he'd basically just cheer you up with baking. And after the workshop, we went to this library and stuff, and we would sit down and we'd work a lot, and then we'd just, we learned a lot about how you have to do a lot of trial and error, and how artificial can really change some stuff.
And we also learned coding, how to program Cosmo.